So today is the battle of the remotes. We got Clip Studio Paint's Tabmate and we got Wacom's Express Key remote. Let's get into it. For digital art tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos every single Friday. So first off, I want to go through what these remotes are even used for. These remotes are used for time saving. You can program certain keys, key combinations into one button on these remotes. So they can really save you a lot of time. Now let's get right into the Tabmate. Now the Tabmate, I paid around $50 for it on Amazon, but as of right now, I looked on Amazon and they're all sold out. I looked on Clip Studio Paint's website and they're sold out too. They're selling for like $86 right now. So the Tabmate can only be used on Clip Studio Paint. Now the word on the street is that you can hack it, but I don't feel like going through all of that. It needs one AA battery and I couldn't narrow down the actual weight, but it weighs less than the Wacom Express Key remote. The Tabmate is mainly made of plastic. The scroll wheel is kind of rubbery. We'll just say that the scroll wheel is kind of rubbery, right? It has 13 keys on it and it has 4 modes. So essentially you're getting 52 different functionalities within this actual remote control. It feels very good in the hand, just like a PlayStation controller, a Wii U controller, the old Wii controller. It feels good in the hand. It's very contour and it lines right up in your hand. See how I got it like this? It's like a video game controller. Now, quick question. What tools do y'all use to actually speed up y'all workflow? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, right now, let's look at the price of the Wacom Express Key remote. Now, right now, it's about $80. $80 on Amazon. Usually it's around $100. It can be used in any program. It has a rechargeable battery. All you have to do is plug it in using the micro USB plug that actually comes with it. And the feel of this thing, it feels and looks like a regular remote control, like an old TV remote control. Now, if you look at the build of it is mainly built out of metal, and then you have this rubbery part in the back right here. Now, this thing also can be placed on top of certain cintiqs. It is magnetically sticks to some cintiqs, but not mine. I got the cheapest cintiq, but some of the higher grade cintiqs you can just magnetically sits on side of your cintiq. Now this thing has 17 keys, and instead of a scroll wheel, it has a touch ring. Now this touch ring has 3 modes. So essentially this remote has 20 different input functions inside this remote. Now let's compare the two. Now, although the Tabmate is usually $10 to $12 cheaper than the Wacom, the build quality that you actually get with this Wacom remote for $10, $12 more, and that you can actually use this on any type of program, I think that's worth $10 to $12 more. Wouldn't you say? Now the Wacom, like I said before, the Wacom Express Key is mainly made out of metal, and the Tabmate is mainly made out of kind of cheap plastic. The build quality means a lot because that factors in when you talk about longevity, when you talk about durability. That's where the build quality goes to, and this wins the build quality. Although the Tabmate only has 13 keys to the Wacom remote's 17 keys, the Tabmate has 4 modes, and these modes allow you to use those 13 keys 4 different ways. So that's 52 different keys that you can program into your remote, right? That's 52 different functions, different shortcut functions that you can have at the palm of your hand. Now, the biggest thing for me is how it actually feels when you're using it. Now, like I expressed before, the Tabmate, it feels like I'm playing a game. You know, it's very comfortable. The keys are not too far spaced apart, right? The keys are not too spaced apart. You can get to them very quickly, very efficiently. Now, if you look at the Wacom remote, the keys are very, very spaced out. See, if I have my thumb, my thumb here, I would have to, and I have a button way down here. See, if I have my thumb up here, I have this button way down here, that's a long reach from here to here. That's a long reach. So, in conclusion, for drawing specifically inside of Clip Studio Paint, it's the Tabmate Pro, man. It's the Tabmate Pro all day. Now, if you're talking about other applications, then we gotta be talking the Wacom Express Key. You know, just simply because the Tabmate does not work on any other software besides if you hack into it, but it does not work on any other software but Clip Studio Paint. And this thing here works with almost every program. I've used this to video edit, sped up my video editing so much. So I'm gonna have to go with the Wacom remote outside of Clip Studio Paint. Now, if you're using Clip Studio Paint, the Tabmate is the way to go. Anything else, any other application, the Wacom Express Key. I hope you got some type of value out of this video today. If you did, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and as always, I'll holler at you next time. Believe that.